In previous video, I have discussed about parallelogram and its property and some related maps from parallelogram. Today's topic is some special type of quadrilateral, its properties and the sums or the problems based on these types of quadrilaterals. So for 13b, there are some types of quadrilateral. If I write here, so square, there is square, rectangle, rectangle, rhombus, rhombus, next kite and trapezium, trapezium. Okay, trapezium. So we know the definition of rhombus, rhombus, square, rectangle, rhombus, kite, trapezium, and I covered everything in one video, which has given before the annual annual exam. That is in half yearly syllabus. I have given one video based on the definition of all quadrilateral and how the concept will come from quadrilateral to parallelogram, parallelogram to rectangle, and all these things. So square, that means all sides are equal and angle 90 degree. So what is the properties? All side equal, sides equal, equal, all angle equal and 90 degree, all angle 90 degree. 3 number, diagonal, diagonal, bisect, bisect at right angle, right angle, and okay. So square, angles, that means value of this is right angle 90 degree, diagonal, bisect at right angle, that means all values are 90 degree. And properties of rectangle, opposites, opposite sides equal, sides are equal, equal, all angle 90 degree, diagonal bisect each other, gonal bisect each other, each other. Here you can add one more property, diagonal, diagonal, diagonal bisect the angle also, bisect the angles, angles, or that means uh, it is total angle is 90, so it is 45, it is 45. Diagonal also bisect the angles. Okay, here you can write. And for diagonal bisect each other, but not at 90 degree. In case of square, diagonal bisect at 90 degree, but in case of rhombus, keep in your mind, diagonal not bisect at 90 degree, but diagonal bisect each other. Okay, and length of the diagonal also equal here. Length of the diagonal is equal. Length of diagonal, gonal, is equal, equal. Here also length and equal, equal, diagonals are equal length, diagonals are in equal length, equal length. Okay. 3 number property, 4 number property, opposite side equal 90 degree, diagonal bisect each other and diagonal equal. In case of rectangle, it happened, no, in case of rectangle, diagonal do not bisect the angles, vertex angle. Okay, but in case of square, it is. Okay, so these are the properties of rhombus. Properties of rhombus is on all side equal, sides equal, 2 number. Here all angle not 90 degree, not equal, but opposite angle equal. Opposite angle equal. That means same as parallelogram. Sum of adjacent angle 180, and here also diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree at right angle. Diagonal bisect at right angle. Phone number. Here also diagonal bisect the vertex angle. Diagonal bisect the vertex angle. The vertex angle. And okay. For properties. So rectangle look like this, 90 degree, bisect each other. This is not 90, it may vary, and the diagonals may not bisect the angles. Okay, and other, you know that this value equal, opposite side is equal. In case of rhombus, all properties of parallelogram followed by the rhombus, followed by the rectangle and square also, because rectangle is also a parallelogram, because in rectangle also the opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay, in rhombus also opposite sides are parallel, also equal. So all are, we can think the all quadrilateral, that means square, rectangle and rhombus as a parallelogram. Okay, keep in your mind. Next thing, kite. What is kite? Kite, that means both pair of adjacent side. Both pair of adjacent side is equal. So adjacent side, that means one common vertex with one pair of adjacent side and another pair of adjacent side also equal. That means this value and this value equal, this value and this value equal. So in case of kite, diagonal bisect at 90 degree. So these are the 90 degree angle. Okay, and diagonal bisect the vertex angle also. That means this value and this value equal, this value and this value equal. Oh no, not this one. This not may not be equal. This value and this value, this value and this value equal. Okay. So properties of kite is diagonal are perpendicular to each other. Diagonal bisect angle A, B, C, D. Then angle A and D. No, A and C. Yes, A and C. Next thing, if it is O, then OD equal to OB. OD equal to OB. Okay. And diagonal bisect, this diagonal bisect two congruent triangle. That means this triangle and this triangle equal. Total triangle, this triangle and this triangle equal. Okay. These are the properties of kite. And what is the definition of kite? Kites is a quadrilateral whose both pair of adjacent side equal. So this is one pair and this is another pair. If you take in this way, then it not may not be. Okay, trapezium. What is the definition of trapezium? One pair of parallel side. That means one pair of parallel side given, another side no more information about another side. If one pair of parallel side is there, then we call the quadrilateral as a trapezium. Okay, so what is the properties of trapezium? This and this equal. Okay, this angle and this angle, sum of these two angle is 180. this angle and this angle 180, because these two are co-interior angle. So we know that if the two lines are parallel and another is transversal, then sum of co-interior angle is 180. So this line is parallel and this one transversal. So these two are co-interior angles. So sum of these two angles is 180. Similar, these two lines are parallel and this is a transversal. So this sum of these two angles is also 180 degree. And isosceles trapezium, that means if non-parallel sides are equal, that means value of this one and value of this one is equal, this one equal, then the trapezium is called isosceles trapezium. Okay. What is the time? 11. Okay, then okay. Okay, let's come to the exercise 13b. Exercise 13b. B. For each of the statement given below, indicated true or false. Which one is true and which one is false? A rectangle is a parallelogram. Just now I told a rectangle is a parallelogram. It is true. A square is a rectangle. It is also true, because in definition of rectangle, opposite sides are equal and each angle 90 degree. So in square, opposite sides equal and angle is also 90 degree. A parallelogram is the rhombus. No, in parallelogram all sides may not be equal, but in rhombus all sides are equal. So a parallelogram is a rhombus. It is false statement. A square is a rhombus. Yes, in case of rhombus all sides are equal. Only one condition. Okay. So in square also all side equal. So we can say that a square is a rhombus. A rectangle is a square. Not possible, because in definition of square all sides are equal, but in rectangle all sides are not equal. A square is a parallelogram. Yes, obviously, because in case of parallelogram, both of pair of opposite sides is parallel, and is in square, both pair of opposite sides is parallel. So one number very easy. What kind of rectangle is from when midpoint of side? What kind of quadrilateral is formed when the midpoint of sides are joined? A rectangle. Okay. So in rectangle, this one, this one, this one, this one are the midpoint. So if we join these two value, then these two are equal. These two are equal. So it is parallelogram. Okay. So first question answer is parallelogram. If we join the mid side of a midpoint of side of a rectangle, then it will become parallelogram. Okay. Parallelogram or rhombus? No, it may not be rhombus, because length of all sides may not be equal. Equal or not? Equal or not? Equal or not? Because this value and this value and this value and this value correspond to this value. Yes, it is rhombus. Rhombus. Because this is a midpoint of this side and this is a midpoint of another side. In this side, same thing happened. So length equal. In this side, same thing happened. Midpoint of smaller side or breadth and midpoint of length join. Here also midpoint of length and midpoint of breadth join, and here also we get the line joining midpoint of breadth and midpoint of length. So in each case we join midpoint of one length and midpoint of one breadth. So length are equal. So all sides are equal. So it is a case of rhombus. Okay. Is if we join midpoint of a rhombus. rhombus. Okay, midpoint of this, midpoint of this. So it is 90 degree, opposite side equal, rectangle. Rectangle, the answer is rectangle. Next, a kite. If we join the midpoint of, it is also rectangle. Rectangle. Okay. Next, D number, an isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium. Midpoint, 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 midpoint. So if you join these two, these two, these two, and these two. Since length of this one and length of this one is equal, parallel, these two parallel, isosceles, yes, it is rhombus. 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 If the trapezium is not isosceles trapezium, then it may not be rhombus. But in case of isosceles trapezium, if we think here this much given, okay, or you can think in this way, in both sides same distance not given here. Okay, parallel and isosceles, that means this value equal, and the answer is rhombus. If it is not isosceles, then it may not be rhombus. Okay, very easy. 3 number, very easy. Complete the following. Figure given. A figure is given here, and we only write the values. Okay, you can solve this math. 5 number also very easy. First you try. After that, if not possible, then I will provide the solution. ABCD 50 degree. Okay. 6 number. A B C D is a rhombus. So A B C D is a rhombus. That means all side A B C D is a rhombus, and angles DAC angle DAC equal to 50 degree. Okay, it is better if we give the name in this way, because it is 50, then total angle 100, and it is not 100, less than 100. So it is better if we give name in this way. DAC A B C T. So DAC 55 degree. 55 degree. Find the angle ACD. ACD. So it is also 55. Angle ACD equal to angle. Okay, you can think in this way. Angle A equal to angle C, opposite angle. So half of angle A equal to half of angle C. So half of angle A, that means angle DAC. Half of angle C, that means angle ACD. Then ACD and DAC equal. DAC given 55. That means ACD also 55 degree. Okay. It is opposite angle. Opposite angle. We divide both sides by 2, or you can think the diagonal bisect the angle in equal half. So it is also 55, and since opposite angle equal, so it is 55, or you can think in this way. CAB, 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 CAB. It is also 55, angle CAB equal to 55 degree. The region diagonal bisect the vertex angle. Diagonal bisect the vertex angle. Text angle. Angle. So this diagonal bisect this into equal to 2 half. So if it is 55, then it is also 55. ABC. ABC. Okay. So angle A equal to 55 plus 55. That means 110 degree. And we know that adjacent angles are supplementary. That means sum of adjacent angle is 180. Adjacent angle. So adjacent angle is 180, implies angle B equal to 180 minus 110. That means 70 degree. Angle B. Angles ABC. ABC. ABC, that means only B. Okay. Very easy. Seven number. ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Angle B, C, D is a parallelogram. Angle A is 40 degree. Angle B also 40 degree. 40 degree. Therefore, this angle and this angle equal, so it is isosceles trapezium. So angle C, angle D also equal. Since angle A equal to angle B, it is a isosceles trapezium. Trapezium. Isosceles trapezium. Then angle C and angle D equal. Angle C equal to angle D. Now, therefore, now if we find angle D, then we get the value of angle C, and we know that these two angles are co-interior angle. Angle A plus angle D equal to 180. What is the reason? Co-interior angle. Interior angle. Co-interior angle implies 40 plus angle D equal to 180 degree, implies angle D equal to 180 minus 40, then means 120, 140 degree. So 140 degree, C is also 140 degree. So the other two angles are 140 degree, 140 degree. Okay, very easy. 8 number. 8. 21 degree. X. The question is find the value of X. So how to find the value of X? Total angle is 90 degree. Total is 90 degree. So it is, in this way we can find Okay, very easy. No need to solve in this way. So diagonal bisect each other. So value of this one and value of this one is equal. Okay. In case of rhombus, diagonals are equal. AC equal to BD. Diagonals are equal. Then half of AC equal to half of BD. Okay. So half of AC that means OA. Half of BD that means OB. So triangle AOB is a isosceles triangle. 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 Isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, base angles are equal. Angle OAB equal to angle OBA. That means angle OBA equal to 21 degree. Now each angle of a rectangle is 90 degree. Therefore plus x plus angle OBA equal to 90 degree. What is the reason? Each angle of a rectangle is 90 degree. From here x equal to 90 minus 21. So 90 minus 21, that means 59 or 69. 69. So value of x is 69 degree. Very easy, only conceptual. A number complete. B number also very easy. That's why normal class is better. You can understood everything. If you have problem, then only you ask. Teacher will give the answer. 102. Rectangle P Q R S O. Angle R O A B. Find the value of A and B. Angle ROQ plus 102 degree equal to 180 degree. What is the region? Total makes one straight angle. So straight angle. STRAI, straight angle, implies angle ROQ equal to 180 minus 102. 102. Then it become 58 or 68. 78. 78 to 78 degree. Okay. What is the benefit for finding this value? Oh, and these two values are equal. In similar way, T R equal to S cube, half of T R equal to half of S cube. That means O R equal to O cube. That means angle O Q R O R cube equal to angle O Q R. Diagonals equal. Diagonals are equal. Okay. So from here we can say that angle OQR equal to A, and from this triangle ORQ, angle sum property of triangle. So 78 degree plus A equal to 180. But we can use another thing also. This is the exterior angle of this triangle, and exterior angle equal to sum of opposite to interior angle. So directly we can say that a plus a equal to 102. From here also same thing come. So 2a equal to 102. 180 minus 72. Oh, 78, not 70. 78. 78. And here also I written wrong. ROQ. ROQ. 78 plus a equal to 180. Therefore, a equal to 51 degree. And a plus b. Next, there is no space in lower, so I solve here. So a plus b equal to 90 degree. Angle of a rectangle implies b equal to 90 minus 51 degree implies b equal to 90 minus 51, that means 96339. Okay. Okay, let's you will be checking the answer, and if anything is wrong please inform me. Okay, after 1 year I will solving the maths. Similar, I think no need to solve these things, all things. Okay. 8 number. More maths are there, otherwise video become lengthy, and for the lengthy video I think students are not watching properly. But it is your problem. Why you are not watching, I don't know. P, Q, R, S. If you have problem, should inform the teacher. It is better directly give exercise and students solve. 34. X was very easy. Very easy math. It is a rhombus, so rhombus bisected right angle. So it is O from triangle POQ. Angle sum property 90 degree plus 34 degree plus x equal to 180 degree. So x equal to 90 degree minus 34 degree implies x equal to 6, 4, 5, 56. 56. Now how can find the value of y? Okay, you can. If it is 36, then it is also 36. Then no, it is better. Solving other way. Other way. Other way. Oh, diagonal bisect the angle. So value of x and value of y are equal, because diagonal bisect the angle, opposite angle. Okay, I will solve here. Angle S equal to angle Q, opposite angle. So if we divide the both angle, then also we get the same value. Half of Q, half of S, that means y. Half of Q, that means x. That means y equal to also 56 degree. Very easy. I think everyone understood. Okay. D number. D number or full number, not D. 1 square is given. From D, we draw a line y, dy, CD. 112 degree. It is A. Find the value of A. Very easy. So angle. So we need to find the value of A. That means if we know the value, this value and this value, then we can find the value of A by using angle sum property of triangle. So we know that diagonal bisect the each angle. Okay. So value of angle XCY equal to half of angle C. XCY, that means this value. This is the diagonal. So this is half of total angle. So total angle is 90. So half of 90 degree. That means 45 degree. And CXY, angle CXY plus 112 degree makes one straight angle. This value and this value make total angle straight angle. So straight angle from here we can get the value of angle CXY equal to 180 minus 112 degree. So 6 12, 80 minus 12, 68 degree. So from triangle CXY, a plus value of this one 68 degree, value of this one 45 degree equal to 180 degree. So a equal to 180 minus 68, that means 112. So 112 minus 45 implies a equal to 7, so 67 degree. Okay. So solve the others by yourself. If you have any problem, I will provide the solution. Okay. Today I have no more energy. Tata.